They got me over here at the trap getting my car worked on.
What?
Over Hershey.
You call this Hershey?
My brother car.
That's crap.
Ty, he already got it at his house, so I guess he can't get it, man.
I already got a car.
No, it don't.
Your mama car can't be here?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Damn, that's fucked up.
How much he wax you for this?
55.
Trying to get my YouTube videos together, man. So we gotta change these posts on here, y'all. So we changing that one and that one. That was really the one that's fucked up real bad though. Look at it.
That's what it is. It's a diode.
Messed up real bad.
But it's not what it's called.
But nah, man. All right, I'm gonna paint it brown.
All right, Bubba. These is already really done. This gonna be the easy one.
Yeah, that bitch. You got electrical tape on it? Hell yeah.
Look at it. Damn, I ain't know it had 4 things on this bitch.
Yeah, more juice.
Jesus Christ.
You just went up there and grabbed
I
it.
kept saying like tomorrow, and then as soon as I try to order it, it was like next week.
So what they look like?
Trying to help you out with this
See what I'm
battery
talking
burner.
Yeah, they look good. They look good. You got a red one. He finna whoop him, man. The dog and I can do some work too now. Video me, I cut it.
Yeah, you cut the bitches out. You cut this one real good. Don't. Right there, it's ready for you to fire.
So cut it close to the edge, like right here.
Yeah, hold on. Talk to me.
Hit him.
Hold on. You ain't on the. Hold on. You look closer to that cut part, right there, brother. Yeah, hit that right there. Talk about it. It's loose.
Okay. That's one of them. Oh, so them are grounds.
Yep. So these are gonna be easy to change right here. Brand new battery in stock though. Brand new alternator.
You think that much new?
It ain't got no rest on it. Look at everything else compared to that.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, boy. Oh, let's snap the other ones.
Trying to get it as close. That fat one gonna be the hard one.
Man, cuz, what? Hold on. Scan me.
Yeah, you wanna do that one?
You fucked that up. Oh, cute. Looks like your car stand.
You got the shit.
Go.
No, it was white water.
Might have to do it little by little.
Nah. I ain't gotta go like that. I need a different one. Bye. See you, Bubba. Nice to know you. Yo, chat. You never let your stuff get this far. We changing this to this. See this? This was made in 1889.
Man, this guy came out 2004.
1889. And I don't understand how he even lasts that long.
I just got it, man. We building this up, man.
We gonna change it.
I ain't even had this gear yet, man. I just got it tinted. The bird done dooed it on my tent. Then, you know.
When, today?
Yeah, I think so. Then we working on this, man. We're going to get another door, another fender. I'm going to take my badge off, and then we're going to get it together. He said, where is that, man? This mug was in here. In here.
Let me see. No, it don't tell you.
All right. It don't?
Nope.
That's the real one. That's going to be hard on them.
Screw this.
So this black one gonna go right there. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. And that. I'll keep the dirt on. See, that's why I need a spot too. I can give me a pressure washer I give me a duplex, give me a press wash. I ain't gotta go through the car wash no more. But nah, this gonna be hard though for the aesthetics, for the cold air intake in there, all that. Yeah, this gonna be nice. Me and my homie Juan was gonna do this. We're gonna get some videos in, but homie Vail came through for me. We're gonna knock this out. And then
put the big one in there first. Yeah, that part. If you can fit it in there. It's kind of hard.
Hold on, I got it. And just stick it.
Do you think?
Come on.
Yeah, just stick.
You gonna do it upside down?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Watch this.
No, don't do it upside down. We got.
All right, come on.
He about to flip it. Watch.
Sam catching my drift.
Yeah, I get you.
Put that in there with that. Oh shit! Damn! Come on.
Hold on. Grab the thing,
man. Yeah, you gonna need help.
Oh yeah, I got the contact. Good boy. I ain't gonna lie. I think I can film. Look at it. If you look at this, it's crazy.
Twisting in there is crazy work.
I hit it with the
All right, hold it.
Yeah, hold it right there.
Is it in there?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Look at these two motherfuckers. They can't do shit right.
You got to come back on one of them.
Hmm.
Yeah.
They got the wrong nut. Look at that.
Yeah.
You got the wrong goddamn socket. Ah, never mind. He got it right.
Don't let go, Q.
Is that 10 mil?
12.
I was about to say, don't lose it.
Man.
If it's a 10, don't lose it.
You see what I'm talking about? Let go, Q. Watch this.
You ain't got the little torque to just torque it.
All right. So this boy's locked.
Yeah, we got that
Sam
one.
won't do the next one.
Boy, that looks so much cleaner.
Sam gonna do the next one.
Oh shit.
What?
Nigga, one of them came out, fool.
Oh my God.
I'm glad y'all cut that down.
And I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know where this three. This right here goes right here. So where's that linking to?
I don't know, but
No, I'm just saying. I'm asking him. What you just said.
It's a ground.
It don't go to nothing. These two go to something. I don't know why this is right here.
What does it lead to though?
Okay.
oh damn, you took the whole thing out.
Yeah, I'm
I
gonna have
thought
to.
you were just gonna stick it in
No,
there.
it do lead to something, bro.
Where?
Cause it looked like it's a splice from this. Yeah, it go to
It do.
something.
It do. I thought it was this. My bad. You right. My bad, coach.
But this is my thing. It's the same. Wait. Okay. Why the fuck is this mounted to here?
Ford.
It's probably to have a ground.
Found on road dead.
That other one ain't hooked on, is it? No.
Okay, son.
It was and shit. I'm like, sorry, cuz you out. You out of there.
I don't know about y'all. That's what we finna do, Bubba.
Take the whole thing on.
Cut that bitch.
Why we cutting it for?
He give you more length. It's worth it.
Oh, he finna take some of that rubber off.
Yeah, take the rubber off.
This nigga, he said take the rubber off. Boy, you, hey.
Y'all playing.
I told you, boy. He be, boy, bad man right here, boy, bad man. That's why they be going crazy.
That's shit.
They be ready to cut him.
You might put this on TikTok, y'all.
Nah, YouTube.
I was about to say, all them kids gonna see. What
Coach Sam got aura.
That's why they call him Cutter.
Cause he be cutting it, boy.
Yeah,
That's a good cut. That's
You alright?
did that shit.
Yeah, that is a good cut. That boy, bad man, boy.
Yeah, you look like Hank Hill, boy.
Hey, Hill.
Yeah,
Hank Hill.
yeah. You know how to fix everything, man. Hank Hill. King of the Hill.
So one of them popped out, so.
We done made it longer, you get what I'm saying? Giggity.
We didn't have enough for the memory.
Photo. We'll be back later. Alright. Maybe. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. These are longer, so these shouldn't. Alright, now we're gonna have to do the same thing we just did, Q.
Alright. Let's do it again.
But we know that shit's working. So. Put all three of them in that bit.
Let me try it again.
I ain't signed up for this shit.
Yeah, I got the phone. Yeah, you shooting at 4K, ain't you? Only got 2 time zoom.
Might be shooting cinematic and stuff.
Yeah.
You think he shot by Vail?
Here we go. Oh, one of these got a damn. Why is one sticking like that? Hold on.
That's cool.
It's frayed. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting you got that. We walked right past the shit, didn't
You
you?
gonna take a ride in that bit?
Right now?
Nah, I don't know.
What I say?
Okay,
He got
okay.
the sub still in the back.
There was a sub in the back?
No, you can't put no sub in back of no convertible.
I thought
You
he
already
had a
dropped the
sub.
top on that bitch.
Yeah, but he missed a lot, cuz.
What you mean?
Like, when I say cuz, like, Lil Neil, but he be mistreating some shit.
What's wrong with it?
I'll show you. Shit like, bro, come on, bro.
Damn. Can it go in like this?
Yeah, kind of squeeze them together like this. Keep it like that, keep it like that. Come back a little bit on this one. Yup. Push them all the way up as they can.
That bitch took breath.
Hold it, hold it. All right, you can let go. Yeah, bitch. Okay. All right. Now let's test it.
Test it again.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, we ain't putting no grease on it.
Let me see if I get a pop. See if your unlocking lock button work.
We just gotta make sure this motherfucker tighten that bitch as tight as you can get that motherfucker.
I did it. It's gonna be better now because we can push it all the way up. That's why you can't make it loose.
So you don't need grease.
Grease? For what?
There is grease that dude yesterday put in there.
Oh.
It helps with the connection. You don't need it. It helps cure it better.
It does, but once you change these terminals, they already have it pre-grease.
It's pre-grease,
Oh,
pre-lube.
yeah.
I ain't know that.
Yeah, got some pre-pussy on it. Oh, I'm sorry, chat. But on
Through it.
I got the 1 terabyte one.
yeah, he got that money.
I knew I was gonna film it with that motherfucker and shit. But
That
you can
money
cut it
on
now.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh damn, they got plenty of room.
Unwrap it, baby.
Oh, they got plenty leg room for us.
Oh, dude, look at it. Yeah. Put in like it's a shrimp. Like it's a crab. Yeah. Talk about it. I really could undo these.
It's just 2 swole ass wires.
That's better than them 3 itty bitty itty itty. All right, come on, Sam. Can you cut these?
I am in the building.
If you can, the wire cover in the front.
Shit.
No. Cut right here.
Damn, he finna
Close.
go
Yeah, like get as close as you can to this.
to the where it's bending from wire to wire.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, cut it.
Yeah,
Where's
come back
that?
a little bit because the wire cutter's in the front. Like, look at it real quick. I want to show you where it is. See, it said wire cutter.
Right there.
No. See what the scissors is?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
God damn.
Mm-hmm.
You see, you heard my fucking hand.
Hold on. Hold on.
My
Let
hand
go.
said snap, crackle, pop.
Let go.
Yeah.
Nah, just take it off.
Ah.
This one might be better.
See, you gave me some weak ass wires.
Maybe.
Wire codes. I got it.
Maybe. That's a maybe. So let me push them all the way up. Let go a little bit. Loosen them up. If you can. Come down. Not like open them up a little bit.
Right there.
Yep. Go crazy.
I ain't trying to cut that shit either. I
Squeeze
don't want to
that
say it though. Jack off straight.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to split that.
Alright, that's next. You can do that.
Damn.
Don't post it.
What you say damn for what?
I said jack off straight.
Nigga. Oh, he picked it up.
Ugh.
Captain Save a hoe.
Ugh.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, chat. Do me a favor. Hold on.
It's at least 50 cents.
Guess what color this was on?
Eat it.
Fuck it.
Eat it for $5.
Wow, that was crazy. God, all right. This was this before. See that? See how it's cracked? Damn. What you having here? A dinosaur, boy? Something was chomping. Burn that motherfucking pool.
You said burn that motherfucking pool. Shit, this wire ain't going. Hey, I might just, fuck your wire up there. Hey. Mid jacket.
Hold the wire. That's a big bitch. That's a big bitch.
Bro, it is there.
Yeah, but look how thick it is. Look how thick that strip is.
Should try it again. Dead ass.
Might be on the backside where it's still.
Yeah, it's right there, cuz.
And this goes to the fuse box, so we don't want to.
Fuck it.
Yeah. I won't put too much on that. Let's go to the main cup.
It's the red one.
You can get that green, that red off.
Because when you feel like you got it all the way through, just stop. Don't. So we don't cut cords on this one.
It's a thing though, like this bitch so damn thick. You gotta kind of
Squeeze it with while you're doing it too. Okay. That should be.
Let's see what it look like. All right, you working?
Remote, don't you?
Yeah, you working though. You
You
working?
just sprayed that.
Yep.
Okay.
By accident.
Okay,
Which it kind of worked out.
I'm making sure that bitch didn't. On your way.
No, it's ready for lighter. It's ready.
All right, you sure?
Yeah.
Let's get it popping.
And this is the.
No, Sam Miller, no. Start over. Stop that.
What?
Nigga said his first and last name. All right, chat. No, put it up. Damn, to him. 8, 2, 6.
I just do the shit.
AWG.
A wire
Wire
cutter.
cutter.
Wire cutter.
use some of this fire and then you pull it. Y'all ready?
Hold on, black people don't need to be using the fire now. God damn it.
Let's go.
Who holding them? Who holding them?
You gotta hold it.
Yeah, you hold it.
Hold on. Watch out. I'm gonna light it first.
We gonna light your.
Well, huh? While you light it, I'm gonna hold it against the box like this.
2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Oh shit! It's right there. One more time. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Ooh, come on, Sam.
There you go.
Talk about it. Show the camera.
Bring the camera up to
it. What was that?
Shit kind of hot.
All right.
Yeah, Chris, fix it. He will be proud of us.
Chris
What?
Crazy. Shout out to Chris Fix It, man.
All right, come on.
All right.
More light required.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. I don't like the way that one.
It says our light is insufficient. That's what it said.
Cut the flash on.
It's already on.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn, some of these.
Move my car. We drive to BMW.
Well, you about to hop in?
We all is.
How the fuck?
I didn't go to the store.
How's all of us gonna fit in there? Unless Sam hop in the back.
Damn, no, you got to move your car.
I know.
All right, hey, you might need to.
Okay, come on. Hold it. Let's go. I cannot lose this boat. Hold it.
So does it matter that wires are showing on this side?
No. Because it never would touch anything to make it mess up.
Sony need to make phones again.
They do.
Just in China.
Nah, it just cost too darn much. For a little bit of money. All right. Hold on. I'm just making sure it works. Don't tighten nothing to make sure it works.
Oh, you gonna put it on?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Which one goes on first?
Negative.
Negative goes on first?
Yeah, so you can see if you're getting power. See, I don't know. I can't hear it. Maybe the other one was more fucked up. Shit. We in action, baby.
Let me try to start it real quick.
All right.
Hey, yo, look at it.
Oh, your shit finna start jiggling on my shit. Hold on.
Hold on, wait a minute. You got everything off?
Watch that motor mount get the
I'm gonna be very cool out
air
here.
room. Watch.
Yeah.
Yup.
The box out. Yeah.
Motor mount going. It sound better. Rev it. Rev it. Rev it. Make sure you're getting the power. I'm serious.
Okay, I will. Damn, do you feel like I brought that one in enough?
You good, bro.
Yeah, you brought it. You brought it
I'm gonna
all
put
the
some
way.
extra tape on all these anyway. Especially this one. So, I'm gonna take it off.
Take what off?
Just
Why you taking it off?
so we put electric tape on.
Oh, okay.
Electrical tape. Oh, your brother called.
Man, not a bolt for the back of the thing gone.
I told his ass.
I ain't think it was that loose, man. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was loose.
Ooh!
Hey, man, pull this shit out.
Don't die.
You be at my funeral.
Damn, he said you'll be at my funeral.
Yeah.
Hey, that mother do look good, though. So we found it once I pulled back a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
That look good, boy.
And your power steering right there in the back, right here.
Where?
Right
This?
You need to drive it though, make sure. Okay. Now drive.
You gotta let it slam.
You forgot something there?
Nah.
How it sounded, boy?
That boy high as hell.
Smash it.
Looking up. He looking up.
You there?
Yeah, I'm there.
You got something to say to you.
What, man?
I want to appreciate my guys for helping me get my terminal right. Well, we done got it done. It's your boy Coach Q. Appreciate y'all. Stay on the journey, man. We building up Hershey. Let's go.